Set your starting position. With a hook grip, take the slack out of the barbell and plates. Push with your legs to break inertia and raise the barbell off the floor. Pull the barbell smoothly and deliberately to the mid-hang position. At the mid-hang, drive your feet into the floor and explosively extend your hips. Keep the barbell close with your lats and shoulders and it will strike or brush past the contact point. Lift your feet up, shrug with your shoulders and pull your elbows upwards and outwards. Keep the barbell close to the body and turn it over as your feet transition. Catch the barbell in the front rack position as your feet land in the receiving position. If not already there, continue sitting into a full depth squat and use the stretch reflex to rebound out of the squat. Lead with the chest and elbows. Drop the barbell or catch it back at your hips.